Most people get this wrong when they look into Albert cash advances. They assume everyone gets approved for the same amount. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your available cash advance can vary significantly depending on your account activity, income patterns, and eligibility factors. In this video, you'll learn how Albert cash advances work in 2026, how much you may be able to get, what affects your limit, and the common mistakes that can reduce your eligibility. Stay until the end because I'll share the biggest factor that often determines whether someone qualifies for a higher advance amount. Let's get straight to it. Albert offers cash advances to eligible users who connect their bank account and meet the app's requirements. The exact amount available is not the same for every user. Instead, Albert typically evaluates factors such as account history, income consistency, transaction patterns, and overall account activity. For example, let's say John receives a regular paycheck every 2 weeks and maintains consistent banking activity. His available advance amount may differ from Alex, who has irregular deposits and inconsistent account usage. But here's the problem. Many users download the app expecting immediate access to the maximum advance amount. In reality, eligibility and limits are usually determined by individual financial data and account behavior. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Consistent direct deposits often play a major role in eligibility. Financial apps generally want to see evidence of recurring income before offering larger advance amounts. Another important factor is your banking history. If your account frequently has overdrafts, returned payments, or unusual activity, it may affect your available advance amount or approval status. This is where most people fail. They focus only on the cash advance feature and ignore the account setup process. Connecting the correct bank account and maintaining accurate information can improve the overall experience and help avoid unnecessary delays. In a minute, I'll explain how to estimate whether you might qualify for a higher amount. Generally, users with stable income patterns, regular account activity, and a well-established banking history tend to have stronger eligibility profiles than users with inconsistent financial activity. However, approval decisions and advance amounts can change over time based on Albert's current policies and account reviews. One important reminder. A cash advance is not free money. It is designed as a short-term financial tool and should be used carefully. Depending on your situation, building an emergency fund may be a more sustainable long-term solution. So, how much can you get from Albert in 2026? The answer depends on your individual eligibility, account history, and financial activity. There is no single amount that applies to everyone. The key takeaway is simple. The stronger and more consistent your financial profile, the better your chances of qualifying for available cash advance features. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe for more finance app tutorials, and leave a comment below with your experience using Albert. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.